Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to this historical moment on behalf of Assam Tourism. Thank you so much for gracing this occasion, which is the auspicious MOU signing ceremony for the 65th Filmfare Awards between Assam Tourism and Worldwide Media Private Limited, the Times Group. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, it's history being created today.
On this note, ladies and gentlemen, may I take the honor of welcoming our distinguished guests for a traditional welcome and a lamp lighting ceremony. And we take the honor of welcoming on this the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, our very dynamic leader, Srijut Sarbananda Sonowal. Monchale ami adorni janaisu. The Vice Chairman of Assam Tourism Development Corporation, Srijut Nabadeep Kolija.
And Dr. M. Angamuthu, Commissioner and Secretary, Tourism Department, Government of Assam. I request our Honorable CM Sir to give the souvenir to Mr. Vinny Chen. This is the souvenir exchange, ladies and gentlemen.
As you know, Assam is such a crucible where it is a melting pot in the form of South Asian and Southeast Asian culture. You name anything, it is there in Assam, in the form of ethnicity or diversity or culture or language or food habit. It is there. It's like a mini India in itself.
আৰু আজি আমাৰ কাৰণে এটা অতি আনন্দৰ দিন। আজি আমি এক ইতিহাস ৰচনা কৰি প্ৰথমবাৰৰ কাৰণে মুম্বাইৰ বাহিৰত ফিল্মফেয়াৰ এৱাৰ্ড হ'বলৈ গৈ আছে। 65তম ফিল্মফেয়াৰ এৱাৰ্ড অহা 2020 চনৰ ফেব্ৰুৱাৰী মাহত অসমৰ এই গুৱাহাটী চহৰতে অনুষ্ঠিত হ'ব আৰু এই অনুষ্ঠানৰ আজি আমি বুজাবুজি চুক্তি স্বাক্ষৰ কৰিম।
Signing this MOU today is a historic milestone, as on 15th February 2020, we would organize the 65th edition of Filmfare Awards in this beautiful city of Guwahati. Cinema is not new to Assam. One personality responsible for the birth of Assamese cinema is Jyoti Prakash Agarwala, who made Joy Moti, Assam's first film in 1935.
I don't know why Times of India Group have selected this venue, but I believe we are competent enough to host this glamorous and prestigious festival.
It is my privilege to request Shri Bhaskar Phukan, Managing Director, Assam Tourism Development Corporation, and Shri Deepak Lamba, CEO, Worldwide Media Private Limited, to kindly grace the MOU signing ceremony. Awesome Assam, with the awesome 65th Filmfare Awards 2020, the official MOU signing ceremony 15 फरवरी 2020 को दुनिया देखेगा असम को, इंडिया देखेगा असम को. Assam, keep the applause going, ladies and gentlemen.
This is a moment to be captured, to be cherished forever. This is a historic moment that we all, the people of Assam, are witnessing here in Guwahati.